This one pan Zaatar roasted vegetables and chickpeas are so good and surprisingly healthy and can be done at home on any day of the week. Hey friends, this delicious dish is done on a sheet pan in the oven using a Middle Eastern spice. All the vegetables here: Zaatar, a Middle Eastern spice, garlic, yogurt to make the sauce for the dish. A quick knife work. Start with the broccoli. Cauliflower. Three carrots, medium size. My preferred way of cutting vegetables, rolled cut, but you can cut them in any way or shape. Red onion. This is an extra large, you can use 2 medium. In no particular order, toss these vegetables into the bowl. Salt, freshly cracked black pepper, garlic, zaatar. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box. Olive oil to bring all these together. Toast. All these vegetables goes onto a sheet pan. I have my oven preheating at 425. Now into this same bowl, add chickpeas, some olive oil, a touch salt, some zaatar. Toast this and set them in one corner. These vegetables will bake for about 25 to 35 minutes or until they are all softened. We'll make a quick tomato cucumber salad to go with the roasted vegetables. I like to remove some of the seeds here, but you can use the English cucumber, which is seedless. Into this, some black pepper, olive oil, salt, some lemon zest. Save the rest of the zest for the dressing. Squeeze the juice out. Some of the lemon juice into the salad. Save the rest. set this aside to marinate. For the sauce, plain yogurt or Greek yogurt will work. The reserved lemon juice, zest, some olive oil, honey, salt, black pepper. Taste. That's good. Set aside. Wash and chop fresh parsley. Just before the vegetables are done in the oven, finish the sauce with some parsley. Same thing with the salad. And just a sprinkle of the Zaatar spice. This is a spice that you can find in Lebanese stores, Middle Eastern stores. This is one of those spices I prefer to buy from the specialty stores. It's so good. Now, these vegetables are all done. The chickpeas are nicely crisped. Empty everything into this serving dish. Finish with a heaping of parsley, olive oil, the rest of the lemon juice. Toast this and serve this family style. For me, some of this delicious yogurt sauce, the bottom of the plate. Some of these beautiful vegetables, cauliflowers, broccoli, carrots. You can use any vegetables that you wish or available to you. And some of this delicious salad on the side or just around the plate. The tomatoes and the cucumbers offers that contrast. The cold, the warm, some more olive oil. You can never go wrong with olive oil in the Middle East. Some of these zaatar sprinkle right on top. This has sesame seeds, sumac, and definitely more parsley. Some of this yogurt, beautiful heaping of the vegetables. This broccoli that is so close to me, some of the sauce. Such a refreshing dish that you can do on the side. The vegetables are nice, crunchy. The chickpeas are nice and crispy. You can definitely serve them without roasting them with the vegetables, but they give a very nice contrast and textures. This is a very, 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 very good dish. The salad gives that crispness and freshness into it. A perfect vegetarian dish that you can do on any day of the week, and definitely you and your family or friends will enjoy. I hope this is a recipe you can try in your own kitchen. As I said before, this is one of those spices that I prefer to buy from specialty stores. This one is Zaatar, no affiliation, but it's just something I like to use in my kitchen. So thank you. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Leave me a comment down below, a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.